my little Ladoos! Welcome back to Little Ladoo's Craft Box! In honor of India's Independence Day, we will be making the flag of India with lentils and rice. Independence Day is celebrated in India on August 15th. India was governed by the United Kingdom and became an independent nation in 1947. The orange saffron color represents courage and sacrifice. The white symbolizes peace, unity, and truth. The green stands for faith and fertility. The center of the flag has a Dharma chakra, which is the wheel of law. It represents progress and justice. Let's celebrate India's independence by learning how to make the flag. You will need white rice, green lentils, orange lentils, black lentils or wild rice, white glue, a pencil, a chocolate chip, a ruler, and paper. Let's get started! Hope you enjoyed learning about India's flag. Maybe you can try making one at home. Send us a photo if you do. Thanks for watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. Make sure to like, comment, follow, and subscribe to Little Ladoo for more videos like this one. See you next time. Bye!